Okay, in today's class we will try to understand factorial numbers. So factorial numbers in Java. So 0 factorial is equal to 1. So 1 factorial is equal to 1. 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1 factorial. So 1 factorial value is equal to 1. So 2 into 1, 2. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 factorial. 2 factorial is equal to 2. So 2 factorial 2, 3 into 2, 6. So 4 factorial means 4 factorial equal to 4 into 4 minus 1 factorial. 4 minus 1 factorial. Bracket 4 minus 1 factorial. So that is equal to 4 into 4 minus 1, 3 factorial. 4 minus 1 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial is equal to what? 3 factorial is equal to so 4 into 3 factorial means 4 into 4 into 3 factorial is equal to 6. 3 factorial is equal to 6. So 6, 24. Okay. 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 4 minus 1 factor, 4 into 3 factor is equal to 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So like that we can get. So now let us write the code. Okay. Now write the code. First of all, I need to do what? This is a class fact. Okay, main class name I have changed as fact. The class name equal to your file name. Where is this? Is the file fact.java. Always file name equal to class name. Okay. Now within this you do simple thing. You write like this. Under the main class, create a user defined method, that is static method, int type, return type int. It returns int value. So next method name fact, you can keep anything, int x is a variable. Okay. Now within the braces we need to write that if black, so if bracket x equal to, already it is helping us, so return 1, okay, colon, semicolon. Now else if, okay. So let us see now next else if, else if, okay, else if, okay, bracket x is equal to 1, it is helping us, return 1, okay, semicolon. Next one more condition, else if, okay, one more condition, bracket else x equal to 1, return 1, return 1. Why? Because try to understand, if x is equal to 0 is, if you pass x value 0, when 0 factorial is equal to 1, it returns 1 value. Other next condition, if x is equal to 1, return 1. If 1 factorial you want to know, that is what. Else if. Why do we need to this third condition? X is already we have written. So here one more condition, last condition, we will finalize this condition. Two conditions we have given, else, return, okay, this is no need here, return, okay, return x into facto bracket x minus 1, okay, x minus 1 x minus 1. Now you close this one. Okay, why? Because x into x into factor x minus 1. Why? Because here see, 4 factorial means if I x value 4 factorial means 4 into means x into 4 minus 1. So x minus 1 factorial function. Okay, this is called recursion. Here recursion. Let us see what is happening here. Okay, now you come down under the main method, you write like this: system dot, you take this, you no need to type long code. So now you pass value of factorial. Okay, you put a statement, this is a string type of data. Now you okay plus after that somewhat statement, somewhat that is what you are put some quotes means it will give somewhat place here. Okay, now plus, okay, and then factor 6. So you pass the value here, factor 6, whatever the value you want to pass, the now semicolon. Now try to understand what is happening here. So one more bracket we need here. Why? Because here this is okay closed, so this is start. Okay, one more bracket you need to put here, that is here. Okay, now you compile this code. What happened? If it is not executed, value of factorial 720, 6 factorial 720. Okay, so there is no any separator here. Put the separator here. Okay, separator means from the text the value will be put separately. So here the values 720 is being separated with these separators. Value of factorial, which factorial? Value of factorial. Okay, so now